Thanks for checking in with us here at Orlando Experience. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the leaked layout of SeaWorld Orlando's 2020 coaster, as well as potential names, theming, and then give you a construction update of the current status of the ride. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Orlando Experience. The new coaster is being built behind Mango Joe's and between Shamu Stadium and Wild Arctic. Once riders have boarded the train will engage in a slide track and move into the main position of the launch area. From here, riders will launch forward, then backwards up a spike, before falling forward into another third launch into the top hat. It is then rumored that at the top of the top hat, a brake will engage and riders will experience a cliffhanger effect before diving back down. From the park's teaser trailer that was released, it was clear that the ride will tie into the Arctic area and potentially have some type of bird theme. We're going to take a guess that this ride might potentially be themed to the peregrine falcon, which is the fastest bird in the world and does live in the Arctic area. So work walls are up and land clearing has begun on this exciting new coaster addition to SeaWorld Orlando. So stay with us here at Orlando Experience throughout the year as we follow the construction of this exciting new attraction.